All right, let's start. So our topic for today is all about this one. Homonyms, แปลว่า Okay. Do you know this topic already?
No.
Not yet. Okay, is this your first time to hear the word homonym? Yes? Okay. By the way, homonyms is or are words that sounds the same. They have the same sound. All right? And they have the same spelling. But they have different meaning. Okay, again, homonyms. These are words that sound the same and they have the same spelling, but they have different meaning. Okay, so what are examples of a homonym? Bark แปลว่าอะไร What do you mean by bark? The dog is barking. Ow, ow, ow. Okay, that is a bark. Bark แปลว่าอะไร How do you say it in Thai?
How?
Okay, all right. Bark. The dog is barking. What about another meaning of bark? Which is a bark of a tree. A bark of a tree แปลว่า What do you mean?
I don't
Bark
know.
of a tree แปลว่า wait เปลือกไม้ไหนเปลือกไม้ This is a bark of a tree.
Yeah.
How do you say it in Thai?
เปลือกไม้
Okay, another one. Park. Park แปลว่า I go jogging or I went jogging
สวนสา
in
ธาร
the
ณะ
park. Okay, and I will park my car in a parking lot. Okay,
Yeah.
another drink. What is a drink?
ดื่ม
I drink cold milk. I drink cold water. I drink cold juice. Okay?
Yes.
And then I drink. All right. These are drinks. These are types of drinks like juice, like milk, water, right? These are types of drinks. All right. What about this one? Drink แปลว่าอะไรนะ
ดื่ม
Okay. Another tie. What do you mean by tie? T-I-E. Tie. A necktie. How do you say this in Thai?
necktie
Necktie. Okay. And you will tie your shoes or you will tie your shoelace. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So let's play much homonym game. All right. So read the words in the blocks at the top of the screen. Then guess the matching picture and I will click the word. Okay. So we have here pictures to represent the word. For example, date แปลว่าอะไรนะ What do you mean by date? What date is it now?
Saturday
Saturday. It is 23rd March, right?
yes
Yes, it's 23rd. Okay. So where should be the date belongs? Alright, it will be on the calendar. Okay.
yes
The date today will be represented by the word date. Okay, what about this one? Hi. Hi.
Hi.
On that necktie. Okay, what about address? What do you mean by address in Thai?
อ่า
address แปลว่า what do you mean by
I don't know
address แปลว่าที่อยู่ที่อยู่ใช่ไหม what is your
yeah
address Vitek when
ที่อยู่
I ask your address what is your address or where is your address or what is your complete address
อืม
where do you live again can you give me your complete address
address
for example teacher Rose lives in what do you call this เมืองแปลว่าอะไรนะสวรรคลุกสุโขทัย Thailand what about you
Thailand
again teacher Rose lives in สวรรคลุกสุโขทัย Thailand what about Vitek that's my address สวรรคลุกสุโขทัย Thailand that was my address before what about you
อืม
what is your address where do you live right
อั
now
น
can
นี้
you tell me you live
อันนี้
in again
ยุคอินนายอง
Rayong what part in Rayong what is your district in Rayong district แปลว่าอะไร
I don't know
เขตเขตแล้วก็ม่วงแปลว่าอะไรนะม่วงแปลว่าอะไร how do you say it in Thai what is your complete address I live in for example I live in Sawankalok Sukhothai Sukhothai แปลว่า is the province ได้ไหม Sukhothai Rayong those are provinces Bangkok Chiang Mai ใช่ไหม
yeah
those are provinces แปลว่าอะไรนะ province แปลว่าอะไร
จังหวัด
again
จังหวัด
ม่วนใช่ไหม
yes
okay what about district
this
what is your complete address I live in Rayong ไม่ใช่what part in Rayong what part in Rayong okay let's leave that one all right so address for example Sawankalok Sukhothai is the province and Thailand is the country okay what about this one much much what do you mean by much all right this is a much stick how do you say this one in Thai
ไม่ขีดไฟ
okay which produces a fire ใช่ไหม
yeah
yes okay what about this one bark of a tree right แปลว่าอะไรนะ
yes เปลือกไม้
okay and drink I drink milk tea I drink Coca-Cola
ดื่ม
drink แปลว่าอะไร
ดื่ม
what about rock what do you mean by rock
หิน
I can see some rocks on my backyard rock แปลว่า how do you say it in Thai
หิน
rock แปลว่าหินใช่ไหม rock แปลว่า stone stone แปลว่าหินใช่ไหม
yes
หิน okay. What about this one? I have another set of pictures and another sets of words. What about this one? What do you call this?
glasses
Glasses. Okay, what about this one?
rain
Ring. What about this?
remote
Remote. Okay, what about this sign? Where do you see
rug
a sign like this?
rug
Huh? Where do you see a sign like this? This is a traffic sign, ได้ไหม?
yeah
We usually see this on the road, right?
yes
Okay, let's try. Okay, where should be right? Okay, turn right, turn left. Okay, another. All right, glasses will be on the first picture. What about stock? Stock แปลว่าอะไร? Stock. Stock of the tree. Stock แปลว่าอะไร? ก้าน ก้าน
can
Okay. What about tender? What should be the word tender represents for? Tender, loving care. Tender แปลว่าอะไร? Tender love แปลว่า you love it so much, something like that. Okay, ring แปลว่าอะไรนะ?
แหวน
Okay. What about band?
I don't
Band.
know
Band แปลว่าอะไร? We have a musical band.
yes
Musical band แปลว่า these are a group of people. They used to play musical instruments like guitar, drums, piano. Okay, these are
yes
a band. Okay, this one. They will be singing at the concert, for example. All right, and remote. A remote of an aircon. A remote of a TV. Right?
yeah
Okay. All right. Let's move to another one. Okay. What about this one? Homophone. Homophone แปลว่าอะไร? Homo แปลว่า same. They have the same อะไร? Phone แปลว่า
sound
sound. Alright? Homophone meaning these are the words that has the same sound.
sound
Okay? So homophones are words that are spelled differently, have different meanings, yet they have the same sound. Okay, for example, there, 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 and there. What do you mean by these words? Okay, actually, there, and there are three common homophones. Alright, so each word sounds the same. ใช่ไหม? They have the same word. They have the same sound. But they means different. They mean something different. Alright. And they are all spelled differently. Alright. There แปลว่าอะไร? There is a possessive adjective. This means it shows ownership or belonging. Ownership แปลว่า อะไร?
I don't know
เป็นเช่าของใช่ไหม? Ownership. Ownership. I am not sure. Ownership แปลว่า ความเป็นเจ้าของ Okay. ความเป็นเจ้าของใช่ไหม? There.
yes
They have their 3 cars. They have their 3 dogs, 3 cats. Okay. Example. Their lunch was very tasty. Their lunch was very tasty. Okay. Another. The children are wearing their school uniform. เห็นไหมเข้าใจไหม
Yes.
Again, there is a possessive adjective. Alright? Another. What about this one? There.
There.
T-H-E-Y apostrophe R-E. Alright, so there is a contraction. This means it is a shorter way of saying they are. Instead of saying they are at the park, you can use this one. They're at the park. Alright, example. They are or they're playing a game together. Alright, they're running around the track. They're playing basketball. Alright, instead of saying
Yes.
they are playing basketball, you can say they're playing basketball. Alright, what about
Yes.
this one? There.
There.
There refers to a place or position. Okay, there is an airplane in the sky. Okay, another. The children are playing over there. There, แปลว่าอันนู่นใช่ไหม
Yes.
Okay. What about this one? To,
Two.
T-O,
Two.
to, T-O-O,
Two.
and to, T-W-O. Okay. These are also three common homophones. All right. Each word sounds the same but means something different. They have the same sound but they means different and spelled differently. Okay. To แปลว่า
Two.
to is a preposition when it comes before a noun. For example, to VTech from Teacher Rose. Okay.
Yes.
Another example.
Children are going to the shop.
Okay, the children are going to the shop. All right. Another one. They went to the beach. They went to the beach. Okay, so again, to is a preposition when it comes before a noun. All right. To will be written first before a noun. Right? What are nouns again? What are nouns again? Nouns are naming words. For example, names of things, names of places. Diba?
Yes.
For example, they went to the beach. The children are going to the shop. Okay, and another example here. I need to go to work today. Work is a noun. What about this one? I am or I'm going to tidy the house tomorrow. Okay. What about this one? T-O-O. How do you read this? How do you read T-O-O? Two. Two. Okay. All right. Two can mean as well and also. Okay. For example, how are you? I am good. Thank you. What about you? Or how about you? I am great too. Too meaning as well. Or I am great as well. Or I am great also. Okay. Another example here. May I come shopping too? Okay. Another. I like cakes, but I like cookies too. Okay. All right. So to can also be used to show excess. Excess แปลว่า How do you say excess in Thai? Excess แปลว่าส่วนเกินได้ไหม Is that the right translation? Okay. All right. I have eaten too much food. Another. My bag was too heavy. Okay. Another.
Okay.
So again, too can mean as well or also. And too can also be used to show excess. For example, I have eaten too much food. I have eaten too much pizza. I have uh I have eaten too much tom yum. Okay?
Yes.
Or my bag was too heavy. What about this one?
Two.
TWO. All right. Or
Two
pronounce
means the
as.
number two.
Yes, two means number two. All right. There are two
What
dogs
two dogs?
running in the park. Okay. Or I have two brothers and one sister. All right. So I have here more homophones. All right. So here are some more common homophones. For example, pair, a pair of shoes, a pair of clothes. Okay. Lako, what about this one? Pear. A pear is a fruit.
Fruits.
Yes. Okay. What about this one? Hair.
Hair.
And hair. What do you mean by this one? Hair. Hair is like a big rabbit. Have you seen a rabbit?
Yes.
Hair แปลว่ากระต่าย เข้าใจไหมกระต่าย
Yes.
Okay, and hair. Okay, what about this one? See. See. I can see VTech on the sea. Okay, see แปลว่าอะไร
มอง
Okay, and sea, CEA แปลว่าอะไร
ทะเล
ทะเล Okay. What about this one? Weak. I feel so weak today. แปลว่าอะไร I am so weak. Weak แปลว่า weak อ่อนแอ
อ่อนแอ
Yeah. I feel weak. I feel so weak today. What about week? WEEK. There are 7 days in a week. What do you mean by week? สัปดาห์ สัปดาห์ ใช่ไหม
Yes.
Okay. All right. So I have here the pictures that represents the word. All right. So I have here a pair of shoes. All right. And one pair. This is a pair. I think you have a pair in Thailand, Sabe? Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. Another week represents a calendar. All right. And
Yes.
week. All right. What do you mean by week again? WEAK. All right.
อ่อนแอ
All right. Okay, another C and C. I can see VTech in the sea. Or I can see VTech swimming in the sea. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah, sea. And sea. Another. Hair. Hair แปลว่าอะไรนะ
ผม
Okay. And this is a hair. Alright. Just like a rabbit. Okay.
Yes.
Alright. I have here a quiz for you. Alright. So fill in the correct homophones in the sentences below. Alright, but before we answer this one, what are some homophones again? Like pair,
Pair.
a pair of shoes, Right? I have a pair of shoes at home. And I also have one pair in the fridge. Something like that. What about this one? Week. Week. Yes? Week. Week. All right. Another. See. See. I can see something on the sea. What about this one?
Hair.
Hair and hair.
Yeah.
Okay. Another. Okay. So here's the quiz now. So fill in the correct homophones in the sentences below. All right. First one. She needed to brush hair.
Hair.
Hair. Okay. What about this one? Oh. We have a busy schedule this
Week.
week. Okay. And Paul and Karen are not home. Blank on vacation. How do you say the short way of saying they are? Uh-huh.
I don't know.
Uh-huh. Okay. You are correct with number 1 and number 2. She needed to brush her hair. And then number 2. We have a busy schedule this week. All right. And Paul and Karen are not home. They're on vacation. Okay. The first, yes, the first homophone we have tackled, which is there, and they are, or there, the short way of saying they are. All right, another. I found a matching blank of sock. What do you do blank out the window? Or Mark would like to go blank. Would you try to answer this one? I found a matching blank of socks. What do you blank out the window? Or Mark would like to go blank. Okay. I found a matching pair of socks. A pair of socks, a pair of shoes, a pair of clothes. Okay. Another. What do you see out the window? What do you see out the window? What about this one? Mark
Mom
would like to
would like
go.
to go too.
Yes, or Mark would like to go as well. Okay. To meaning to say as well or also. Okay, no more. What are the homophones again? Can you still remember the homophones?
Sound.
Okay.
Same sound. Same sound.
Yes, homophones has the same sound. They have different spelling and they have this different meaning, but they have the same sound, okay? Such as pair, like a pair of shoes, a pair of socks, a pair of clothes, a pair of hat, okay? And pear is a fruit. It's a type of fruit. Okay. My favorite fruit is a pear. Okay? Another, hair. Hair, แปลว่าอะไรนะ Hair, hair. Hair is, yes, hair is like a rabbit. Yes, it's a rabbit. And hair Hair แปลว่าอะไรนะ How do you say hair in Thai?
ผม
What about C? C. Wick. Alright, another homophones here. Two, and two. Right? Two, and
Yes.
two. What about this one? There,
There.
there, and there. Okay. There, แปลว่าอะไร? There is a possessive adjective. This means it shows ownership or การเป็นเจ้าของใช่ไหม?
Yes.
Or belonging. Alright. It is their car. It is in their car. This car is their car. Okay?
Yes.
There means or it shows ownership or belonging. Alright. What about this one? There. This is the short way of saying they are. They are eating their lunch. They are eating their breakfast. Okay?
They're playing football.
Yes, they are or they're playing football. Okay, very good. What about this one? There. There refers to a place or position. Could you try to make your own sentence?
Yes.
There is an airplane in the sky. There is a bird on my neck. There is a bird on my head. Here's an example. Okay. There is a pen on my desk. Okay. There are books on my bag or in my bag. Okay. Another. The children are playing over there. They are or they're playing football over there. Okay. All right, another homophones. Two, and two. Okay, two แปลว่าอะไรนะ to แปลว่าอะไร To is a preposition. To is a preposition which comes before a noun. All right. They are going to the shop. The man is going to work today. All right, they went to the beach. Okay. What about homonyms again? Homonyms, they have the same spelling. They have the same sound, but different in meaning. Okay, like bark. What do you mean by bark? Ow, ow, ow. Kaya alay na?
Oh.
A bark of a dog. A bark of a tree. Okay.
Yes.
Can you think some homonyms? Can you think some words that spelled the same, sounds the same, but different in meaning? Wow.
คำพ้องเสียง
ใช่ไหม ความพ้อง
Yes.
เสียง Okay, so can you think of a word or yes, can you think of a word that are homonyms? Alright, can you think of a word? What about Wait, I will give you aside from bark, bark. What about this one? Right, right. You are right. You are right and turn right. Right?
Yes.
Yes, what else? Ring and ring. I have a ring on my finger. Okay? Or my
Yes.
phone rings. Kililing, kililing, kililing. Right?
Yes.
Alright, what about this one? Wave. แปลว่าอะไร Wave. แปลว่า The teacher is waving. Wave แปลว่าอะไรนะ The teacher is waving. Something like this. Okay?
Yes.
And wave แปลว่า a wave
Wave.
of the ocean. Okay. คลื่นใช่ไหม
Yes.
Okay. What else? What else? What about this one? Saw and saw.
Saw.
I saw VTech on the screen. What about the meaning of another saw? Saw. เลื่อยเลื่อยแปลว่าอะไร saw ใช่ไหม
Yes.
A saw is used to cut trees or yes, small branches of trees, something like that. So แปลว่า What else? Any more?
Park.
Can you think of another word?
Park.
Again? Park. Okay,
Park.
very good. Park and park. Okay? I will park my
Yes.
car on the parking lot. What else? What else? Any more?
Mouse.
What else?
Mouse.
And again?
Mouse.
Nose.
Mouse.
Mouse. Okay. Mouse and a mouse. Okay. A computer mouse. Very good. What else? And a mouse. My friend is a mouse. Okay, and a computer mouse.